Ginger tea can help you to shed extra kilos. Find out how. Ginger is one of the commonly found condiments in the Indian kitchen. The same as a superfood, and one should include it in daily diet to reap health benefits. Ginger provides several health benefits such as relieves stress, reduces nausea, helps to cure a cold, cough, it is an anti-cancer agent, works as a pain reliever, protects us from neurodegenerative diseases and weight loss among others. Today, we are talking about ginger tea and how it can help to lose weight. How ginger tea aids in weight loss. Leads to thermogenesis. As per one of the studies which were conducted by Columbia University and the New York Obesity Nutrition Research Center, drinking a mixture of ginger powder and hot water leads to thermogenesis, increases body heat, and the same indirectly leads to weight loss by having better metabolism. As per other researchers, this herb not only helps to reduce weight, but also waist-hip ratio, better blood sugar levels, and lipid profiles among others. Improves digestion and prevents fat storage. For the unversed, the herb helps to stimulate pancreatic digestive activity to boost digestion, and the same indirectly aids in weight loss. As per another study, ginger also prevents fat storage in the body by increasing norepinephrine-induced lipolysis. Curbs appetite. It curbs appetite by keeping full for long and thus keeping blood sugar and serum cholesterol levels under control. Helps to bring down stress levels. Stress is one of the major reasons why many of us are overweight. Cortisol, the stress-inducing hormone, could be one of the reasons for your big belly. Fight cortisols and other radical activity with the help of ginger tea. The inflammation-induced weight is also tackled. Boost your energy level. As per studies, gingers boost physical fitness, performance and muscle endurance, thus it will help you to train more and burn calories. How to prepare ginger tea. Bring water to boil and then add grated ginger. Let it simmer for 5 minutes. Strain it and add honey or jaggery for taste. Drink it warm. If you don't have fresh ginger root, then you can also use dried ginger powder. You will be needing half to 1 teaspoon of it. One can start the day with ginger tea or drink it between the meals for better results. Also, make sure you do not abuse the same by overdrinking it. It will backfire and can lead to other health issues. It is also important to know that ginger tea alone will not help to shed extra kilos. It can be used along with a healthy diet and daily physical activity.